Hi guys, welcome to my video. Actually, it's very important video and it's very motivating video if you're going to see it till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, which I want to tell you that there's no one in this entire universe to support you. There is no one in this entire universe to support you, and this is something I am telling it from the bottom core of my heart and from the very experience that I had. I'm a multi-billionaire right now. I sleep on a daily basis and wake up at the right time just after completing my sleep. I just do my work and I'm happy right now. But few years back, when the conditions were completely opposite to the things that I am right now in, there was not even a single bird to support me. There was not even a single insect to support me. It's something that I always had to do all the things by my own, and it's not something that I'm joking, it's something that I'm just saying, and it's so true. You will not even realize right now, but something, if you're going to the very experience and you do not realize it very much right now, then you literally have to realize it on the later base, because there's no one in this entire universe who is going to support you, and it's so true. You will not realize it till the time you experience it, but because I had very much experience these kind of things, so yes, I'm telling that there's no one in this entire world, there's no one in this entire universe to support you, just you. You have to be your own best friend, you have to be your biggest supporter, you have to cheer up for yourself, you have to take actions, you have to fix up your sleep, you have to get, just you have to sleep at the right time, get up at the right time, do workout, meditation, yogas, and just be fresh, talk positive to yourself, have positive self talks, and keep doing your work. That is the only thing. And keep doing your work, like you have to do the things in the right direction. That is the only way. If you want to be a multi-billionaire, if you want to have your own cars, if you want to have your own luxurious lavish life, yes, you can just do it by your own help. You will have to be your own best friend, you will have to love yourself very much, you will have to fix up your sleep, you will have to get up at the right time, you'll have to compromise every sort of thing, and you just have to do the right things at the right time, and you'll have to take care of yourself. Yeah, that is very very important. I know that life is very beautiful once you're successful, but once you're not successful, once you do not have money, anyone, not even your parents, are going to take care of you. Like, not even your parents are going to look back at you, like they will just say that, oh my god, just she's good at overacting, she's just like she's just a burden in our head, and many things more the parents will say. You will not even realize that the parents, like the parents who used to love you so much when you used to talk, now you are not doing anything, they are just going to hate you just because you wasted all sort of his money that he has invested in you. You are, I mean, it's very harsh reality, but yeah, I don't know you're blessed with a good parents or not, but it's a truth reality that I'm saying. No matter what, you have a good boyfriend, they will only support you till the time you're giving them. At the end, what happens in a relationship, at the end everything happens and everything ends up like in just being physical. There are many girls who are very interested in being physical or something like that, but there are many girls who are connected emotionally to the boys or somewhat like that, but boys are never that. I'm not at all just misguiding or somewhat, but I'm just saying the truth from the very experience that I had in my life. That is what I'm sharing out to you. It's something that it's very hard, but yeah, it's something that I need you people to listen, and it's something that I needed to tell you, because I have built my life right now. I'm living in America. I have conquered every goals and I've conquered every dreams that I always had dreamed for. So I thought that why do I not make videos and support you, and just you can think like the only action. I just want to speak out this true things that no matter what you're thinking, very much positive. You are patience. You are doing right things, right time, at the very right time. Right things are going to come. Like, it's very true that right things will come once you are doing everything in the right direction and you have patience and you're leaving everything and you're just doing your work, you're taking actions, you're fixing your sleep, you're just doing everything in the right direction. Yeah, and you have left everything and you're just doing your work and you're happy, you're just doing your work and you're not giving a fuck to what other feel, what other talks, or what other people are doing. You're not comparing yourself to any other people. There'll be people to demotivate you every time. Your parents, your mom, your dad, your siblings, there'll be people to demotivate you every aspect of time. But that's the quality of time where you need to hold on to yourself, you need to hold on to your heart, you need to hold on to your dreams, and you have to say that whatever I want in my life, I'm going to achieve it all. You have to have that kind of positivity aura. You have to have that positiveness. You have to have that positive aura. You have to have that positiveness. You have to have that positive aura. You have to have every sort of good positiveness in yourself. Then only you will be able to achieve your goals. Otherwise, guys, there's no other option. Even though it's very, very true things that I'm saying, guys, even though if you are dying, you are in intense pressure, you are under severe, worse financial condition, you are lacking sleep, you are getting no support from your parents, you have no friends, you have not achieved any single of your goals, nobody is going to support you, nobody will be emotionally available to you, nobody will understand you, nobody will support you, nobody. People will just think that you are just a burden on their head. Nothing. Your parents will think like that you are just a burden on their heads and nothing else. The relatives will mock at you, the parents will mock at you, the siblings will mock at you, the parents will only just think that, oh my god, because they are also so much compelled that time by the society, by their relatives, by their every sort of thing, by the financial things that they have ever supported you, like the investment that they made on you. I'm not at all telling about every parents, but I'm telling about how my parents are and how I have been in, and what I mean, I'm not saying anything, but they're also so compelled that they can also not do anything. But something so human nature, like even if you means so worse in condition, the people are not going to understand you. You have to be your own biggest supporter, you have to be your own biggest strength, you have to fight for yourself, you have to fight for your goals, you have to fight for your dreams, you have to fight for your independence, you have to fight for your freedom, you have to fight for your every sort of thing, you have to fight for every sort of thing. Life is not easy, but yes guys, life is easy once you are taking actions. You have to be your own biggest supporter, because there's no one in this world. God will only support you once you are being your biggest supporter. Once you are helping yourself, once you are physically fit, you're once mentally fit, once you literally want your goal, once you are taking right actions, once you fix your sleep, once you're doing everything good, then only God will support you. I've told you much of the time, hence time to take actions, dear, because time is not stopping, life is not stopping. You have to take actions, you have to move forward, and you have to win in your life, because there's no other option, guys. You have to win in your life, you have to succeed, you have to win, please. So start taking actions, and there's only one option. Start taking action. There's only one alternative. There's no alternative. You have to take actions, yes, and you will win. Bye guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you literally love this video, please do like and subscribe so that I could get more motivation to make these kind of videos. Okay, bye.